Santika, student of Informatic Engineering at Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta, and this time I will present about Alibaba Cloud Workspace. Alibaba Cloud Workspace. Alibaba Cloud Workspace is a desktop as a service or DaaS solution that provides secure and scalable virtual desktop through the Alibaba Cloud infrastructure. The user can access their work environment anytime and from any device without relying on physical computer. Next is the problem with traditional desktop management. The organization using physical desktop often face the first is high cost, expensive hardware purchase, maintenance, and upgrade. And the second is remote work challenge, difficult VPN setup, and inconsistent user experience. And the last is security risk. Data stored on device can be lost, stolen, or compromised. Next is how Alibaba Cloud Workspace works. The platform consists of three main layers. The first is Alibaba Cloud Client, to connect users securely. The second is Workspace Platform, centralized management and policy control. And the third is Cloud Desktop, virtual desktop host in the cloud. All data and computing resources remain in the cloud, while user device only display the desktop interface. Next is core component cloud text. Next is core component. The first is cloud desktop, like virtual computer with customizable CPU, RAM, storage, operating system, and application. The second is workspace management, a centralized dashboard for managing user, desktop, permission, and policies. The third is image management, pre-configured desktop template for faster deployment and easy maintenance. And the last is network integration, secure connection to enterprise network and internal application. Next is the core capability or key capability. The first is desktop provisioning, create virtual desktop quickly. The second is centralized management, manage all desktop from one platform. The third is security management, authentication, access control, monitoring, and data protection. And the last is flexible resource allocation. Adjust CPU, memory, storage, and GPU based on user needs. Okay. Next is common use case or use case across industry. The first is enterprise office, administration, finance, and customer service. The second is remote work, secure access from any location. And third, education, virtual labs, and online learning environment. The fourth, software development, reproducible environment for coding and testing. And the last is creative industry, GPU power, desktop for design and multimedia work. Okay, next is business benefit. The first is lower hardware and maintenance costs. The second is higher employee productivity. The third is centralized and more secure data storage. The fourth is easy scalability for growing organization. And the last is pay as you use operational cost model instead of large capital investment. Okay, next is security features. The first is strong user authentication, granular access control, data encryption and cloud-based storage, and continuous activity monitoring since data stays in the cloud. Losing a device does not result in the data loss or your security breach. Okay. Next is building and deployment. Billing depends on number of cloud desktop, CPU and memory allocation, storage capacity, using duration. Next is deployment steps. The first is create Alibaba Cloud account. Second is select Workspace service. Next is configure environment, create cloud desktop, assign user and policy, user access virtual desktop. Next is conclusion. Alibaba Cloud Workspace modernize desktop management by providing fast virtual desktop deployment, centralized administration, enterprise-grade security, flexible scalability, and cost efficiency cloud-based operation. In short, Alibaba Cloud Workspace enable organizations to work securely, efficiently, and from anywhere while reducing infrastructure complexity and cost. Thank you for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.